Happy Thursday, breakfast time. They always give my dad the best seats for breakfast, so I'm very excited to go see him once again by the water. It's windy, but I'm gonna try to swim a little bit. Falling asleep under palm trees is nice.
Yeah.
Did you fall asleep?
Many times.
This is the lovely view. Go back to bed. That bird is so loud. Oh, it's right there. Sounds like a static. Did you say they're called grackle? Or softer.
Yeah.
That is a large portion of bacon, but I'm not mad about it. It looks so good. Like father, like daughter. The club is no joke. Oh my gosh. I mean, you can hear it from inside, but it's still like loud.
Wow, you think we can make it in an hour?
I don't think so. We'll probably be back in like 20 minutes. Ready to play tennis for the first time? And
I don't know
when's the last time you played tennis? It's a nice place though.
Take your choice.
See our window, it's raining, it's perfect. Yeah. This is kind of pleasant. I like a little drizzle. Woo woo! All right. got some in before it went all haywire. Yeah. Oh, goodness, this is the hardest it's rained since we've been here. Ah!
Well, during the day. It rained pretty hard at night.
That's right. Do you want to wait? We're checking out in about 2 hours, so I'm headed to breakfast for the last time. I'm gonna meet my dad there. And it's beautiful and sunny today, which is great. It's supposed to rain later and be quite windy, so I'm interested to see what the takeoff situation is gonna be like and if we get delayed, but I don't leave until about 5:30.
All the seats and
Much like my flight on the way, this one was also delayed by a lot less though. The first one was about 1:45 or 2 hours, and this one's only 45 minutes. It could be more though. There's a lot of time and potential for that to change. Do you have a gate number yet?
I did, but it's changed.
Thank you. I think I'm C19, so I'm curious if it's close by. Oh, there's more Canadian flags over there. Goodbye, 622. Did it. Bye, pretty. Bye. Oh, not yet. Okay, great.
Okay?
Great.
Okay, so
So I'm looking for littler dishes. Spoon rest. I like the spoon rest too, but I don't know.
And I'm gonna pay this cash. I need more.
You ready?
We're ready.
I'm ready.
We're ready.
I'm
This
right
reminds me of the van from Venice.
Here.
Ah. We could stand up from the cruise one, and it was great.